Good morning students. Welcome to your software engineering class. In the previous session, we have started a new unit 7, that is software reliability. And in this video class, I will discuss about hardware reliability and software reliability and what is the difference between hardware and software reliability. Actually, as I discussed in the previous class, reliability means the error-free operation of a software in a specific time period. Okay, means in a specific time period without failure, how much time the software run, that is software reliability. And in this session, we will discuss about software and hardware reliability. So let's start. So reliability means probability of failure-free operation of a software. Failure-free operation of a software in a specific time period. And the reliability of software and hardware are very different. Okay, means for example, hardware failure are inherently different for software failure because most of the hardware failure are due to component wear and tear. Means when the component is failed and we have to repair the hardware component or we have to replace the hardware component, and after the repair or after the replacement of the hardware component, the hardware maintain the reliability. Okay, so like for example, when a logic gate may be stuck at 1 or 0 or a register might short circuit, and to fix the hardware fault one has to either replace it or repair it. Okay. On the other hand, a software product would continue to fail until the error tracked down and either the design or coding changed. Means when a software makes error, we have to make it error free. We have to remove the error. Okay. For this reason, hardware is repaired, its reliability is maintained. When the hardware component is repaired or replaced, the reliability is maintained. But on the other hand, when software is repaired, when the error is removed, the reliability may increase or decrease. May increase means while debugging the software, while removing in the process of removing the error, there may be introduce new error. Okay, reliability may be decreased if the bug introduce new error. So the software reliability may increase or may decrease after the repair. Okay, but the hardware reliability maintains stability after replacement or repair of the component. Okay, this is the main difference between hardware and software reliability. So to put this fact in different perspective, hardware reliability study is concerned with stability. Means hardware reliability is stable. Okay, means after repair or after replacement of the component, it maintains the reliability constant over a time period. Okay, but on the other hand, software reliability study aim at reliability growth. Means interfailure time increases. Means there may be chances of decrease or increase of the reliability. The change of failure rate over the product lifetime of a typical hardware and software product are sketched in the figure. We will discuss the figure later on. So for hardware product, it can be observed that failure rate is high initially at the starting stage when the hardware come to the market, or in the testing stage it have many fault. Okay, initially the failure rate is high initially but decreases as the fault component are identified and removed from the hardware. Okay, the system then enter to the useful life. Means after the fault component is removed, the hardware gives a useful life, means a stable life without any fault, and after some time the component wear out. Okay, when the hardware component is wear out, again the failure rate increase. Means at the starting stage it have many failure increase failure rate, and after that it gives a stable useful life, and then after the wear out of the component, it again the failure rate is increase. This gives a plot of hardware reliability over time, its characteristic bathtub shape. Okay, so let's discuss in the figure. This is the bathtub shape of the hardware product reliability. So in the starting stage, initially when the hardware device or hardware component is comes to the market, it have many fault. It may have many fault because it has in the testing phase, and after removing the fault component from the hardware, it's enter into the useful life where the reliability growth is stable, is constant. That is the useful life of the hardware. And after some time, when the component is wear and tear, when the component started wear out, then it again increase the failure rate. First, the failure rate is at high, and after that, removing the failure part from the component, it gives the stable useful life. And again, after some time, the hardware part will be wear out, and again the failure rate will be increased. And the shape of this graph is like a bathtub. Okay, so the reliability of hardware product sketch is like a bathtub. Okay, but on the other hand, for the software, okay, on the other hand, for software, the failure rate is highest during the integration and testing phase. This is same as the hardware. At the starting stage of hardware and software, there are highest failure rate at that time. Okay, as the system is tested, more and more errors are identified and removed, resulting in reduced failure rate. Okay, means after the testing phase, after the error are removed, then the failure rate decreases. This error removal continue at a slow pace during the useful life of the product. Means in the software graph, at the starting stage when the software is at testing and integration phase, the failure rate is at high, and after removing error from it, it slow down the failure rate, and in the useful life also we are removing the error, so the failure rate is decreasing. Okay, after some time when it become absolute, we are not using the software. Okay, due to any reason, due to there are maybe new software or new technology comes to the market, or new software comes to the market. When the software become absolute, then the error removal is not done from the software and it maintained. Okay, so the graph are totally different. The hardware reliability and software reliability are totally different. Means in hardware reliability, the failure rate is high at the beginning, and after that it gives a stable graph, stable useful life, and after some time again it increases the failure rate. Okay, this is the hardware reliability graph. But in software reliability, at the beginning the failure rate is high, and after removing the error, it gives the useful life, and in the useful life also the error are removed from the software, that makes the failure rate decreases. Okay, it decreases the failure rate in the useful life also. Okay, it is done up to when the software become absolute. So this is the main difference between hardware reliability and software reliability. Okay, so in next class we will discuss about how we can measure the reliability, means the different type of reliability matrices. So this is all about your hardware and software reliability. Thank you.